Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous video I talked about how to install Python on your Windows PC. So today, for eventually if you are using VS Code like me now, I'm going to be using VS Code 2 for Python. So I'm going to be explaining how to use VS Code, how to set up your VS Code text editor for Python. So before we proceed, the first thing you have to do is to come to your Windows Store like this and search Python. Then you click on Python like now. Let it load. So this is Python 13 now. You install the latest version like I said in the other video. Make sure that the latest version is installed on your system. So make sure it is installed. Like now I've installed it already. So after installing it, that I've showed in the previous video, I've showed how you test if it is already installed. So after installing it, you go back to your VS Code, which is here. Then you come to your extensions. So you search for the Python extension. So when you search for it, you see when you install this Python, this is the one you will install, this particular one. So after installing it, it's supposed to install Pylance and Python debugger automatically. But I recommend you also install Black Formatter so that you'll be able to format your Python file easily on VS Code. So immediately you install it, finish. That's basically all you need to do for starters. Though there are other frameworks, other files that you need to install, but for the basic parts, this is all you need to do. Install Python, and immediately you install Python, this should install Pylance and Python debugger also should install. So that's that. And to test, you can just come to your VS Code now. Okay, I have a list of code here. Let me just create another file now. So I have a folder. I can just create something like test.py. So after creating test.py, let me say string equals Timmy. So I can say print and string. And string is also a reserved word, so I shouldn't be using something like this. So let me just change this to name. I'm so sorry about that. So name, and you can click here to run it, or you can use the Ctrl-Alt-N shortcut to run it. So if you click like this, you can see I have Timmy running. So let me clear this and run it again. You can see Timmy is running here. So that's basically how to install Python for VS Code. It's very simple. I hope this video is clear and explanatory enough. If you have any question, you can drop it below in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer you. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.